welcome. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can create Dropbox assignments using plagiarism detection and rubrics. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to head on up to grades and select it. From here, you can see we already have weeks 1 through 5 created with our Dropbox assignments. I'm going to go ahead and create an additional few weeks and additional few assignments. So first, we're going to create our weeks. So I'm going to say new, and then I'm going to do a category. I'm going to name it week 6. And then I'm going to hit save and new. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say week 7. And now that I'm done, I can go ahead and hit save and close. We can come down here and we can see that our week 6 and our week 7 have been created. Now let's go create a few assignments. To do that, we're going to select new and then item. We're going to select numeric. And I'm going to title this week 6 Dropbox. I'm going to assign it to my week 6 category. And then I'll give it out of 20 points. And then in here, I'm going to go ahead and hit save and new. Because I'm going to select numeric. And I'm going to add my week 7 Dropbox. And again, I'm going to select the week 7 category. I'm going to make it out of 20 points. And then this time, I'm going to hit save and close. All right, now let's go verify that those were in. So we have our week 6 Dropbox and we have a week 7 Dropbox. So first I'm going to show you how we can use the plagiarism. First I'm going to show you how we can create rubrics. Then we'll go back in and we will discuss how we can add plagiarism and the rubric at the same time. So let's go ahead and go up to assessments. We'll go down to rubrics. And we're going to select new rubric. From here, we're going to give it a name. So we'll call it the Dropbox rubric. And then we're going to select type and we're going to select analytic. And from here, we are going to label everything with our criteria. And since this is example 1, I'm not going to really give it a super meaningful name, but I do like to title these excellent, good, needs review, and needs rewrite. From here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add in my criteria explanations. And then I'm going to show you how you can add another criteria. So I'll just title this criteria 2. And then here's where I will go ahead and add in my explanations. And now you can see we have it. We have our rubric completed. Since it's finished, we can go ahead and come in here and select close. And from this menu, you can see here, this rubric has associations and cannot be deleted. And this one is the new rubric that we created, and it doesn't have any associations. So we're going to associate this rubric with some Dropbox items. And to do that, we're going to go up to assessments. We're going to select Dropbox. And here, we're going to select new folder. Then we're going to title this week 6 Dropbox. We're going to make it out of 20 points. And now we're going to associate it with those week 6 Dropbox items that we created. So week 6, select OK. And then over here on evaluations and feedback, we are going to go ahead and we're going to add a rubric. So we're going to say add existing, and we're going to say Dropbox rubric, and then we're going to say add selected. And then from here, you can see that we have the Turnitin integration. So we're going to say manage Turnitin. And from here, we want to make sure we enable a few things. So we definitely want to enable the similarity report for this folder. We want to allow learners to see the similarity scores in their submission folders. And we want to automatically check for any similarities from all of their submissions. Once we do that, we can hit save. Verify we have all of our information in we want. And again, you can always add more things to your Dropbox. Go ahead and hit save. And now we can see we have a week 6 that has a Dropbox item and a rubric, or not a rubric, a Turnitin. So let's go ahead and create one more. We're going to title this week 7. We're going to give it points. We're going to go ahead and link it. We're going to choose this week 7. We're going to go over here. We're going to add our rubric that we created. And we're going to make sure we verify our Turnitin options. So we're going to enable the similarity report. We're going to display. We're going to have the automatic check all the submissions. And then when we're done, we're going to hit save. And from here, we're going to hit save and close. And again, you can see that it has these associations. And that is how you can use the rubrics and the Turnitin. Thank you for joining me.